Hello dear friends! So in this video I'm gonna share with you our trip that we did to Kourtaliotiko Gorge, which is also known as Asomatos Gorge. Here, as you can see, we are at the entrance. I really like the arched entrance, which marks the beginning of the hike down the mountain on stone steps leading to the waterfall. As you drive by, it is unmistakable. Also, you can park your car by the side of the road. And then you'd go down the stone steps to reach the waterfall. This gorge is located in the southwest of the island of Crete, in Rethymnon region. It is 3 kilometers long, and the Kourtaliotiko River flows all the way to reach Preveli Beach, which is also spectacular, and it is one of the most famous beaches in Crete for its impressive palm trees forest. The river reaches the seawater. They join together, and the place there is so beautiful and relaxing. Nature at its best, and it's a wonderful place if you want to hike all the way from the Kourtaliotiko Gorge to reach Preveli and to have a meal over there, enjoying the beautiful scenery around you. The hike from Kourtaliotiko Gorge to reach Preveli, they say it takes 2 hours and a half, depending on your walking speed, fitness of course, and experience. Advised to wear a proper footwear going to both of these spots, whether you're going to Kourtaliotiko Gorge or going to Preveli, or you want to hike all the way, you need a proper footwear. So after you park your car and after a short descent on the stone steps to the gorge, you will find a spot where there is a cross paths. One goes to the right and one goes to the left. To the right takes you directly to the waterfall. The steps on the left, they take you to a small church called Asomatos. The steps to the church are down 260 stone steps. It's so beautiful, and it's worth to go and check out the church before heading to the waterfall. Also, the cliff where the church is located overlooks the waterfalls from top, and it's quite beautiful view for taking pictures and maybe swim in the small ponds formed from the refreshing water. The church, as all Greek churches, is cute from inside and worth checking out. The river and springs start from 5 water sources, and they all join to form a waterfall of 40 meters. And in the joining spot is where the Asomatos church is at. Then after that small break that we had on this cliff, and then we didn't know that there is a path from this cliff over the bridge somewhere that takes you to the waterfall. Anyway, we thought that it's better to go back to that cross point and then go right on the other stone steps that lead also to the waterfall. I'm sure both ways are beautiful and spectacular, and next time we'll try the other path that we didn't know about. They say there's a specific point on the gorge about 20 meters from the northern entrance where you can hear clapping caused by the wind blowing in the caves. I don't remember I heard that, especially that I came to know the information later on. I wish I knew this information earlier just to pay attention to the clapping. So I will stop talking now, and I will leave you with this memory from our visit that was so special that we'd like to do it again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.